Okay, so previously I imported my local files, I connected this to my workspace, and I asked Agent Mode to generate a collection for me. So we have this e-commerce app, and I want to use Agent Mode for finding the next API that I want to add to this app. I'm going to say add a new API to this app for payments using PayPal. All right, so it says I added a new payments folder, and we can see that here. And I set up the PayPal integration endpoints. So it says next steps I can do for you, add environment variables and example defaults. And we can see that URL was added. Now I need to add my PayPal access token. All right, so I added that here. And now what I want is every time someone creates an order, I want it to execute the payment. So I said use the response from the create order request to create a PayPal payment. So the PayPal payment has been created using the latest response from the create order request, and we can see that here. So once we create this order, it's going to use the response to create a new payment. So here we've added a new API from the Postman API network into our existing app.